Hi, this is Hui Wern from Malaysia. I'm a student of Master of Public Health in Adventist International Institute of Advanced Studies. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude wholeheartedly to UBC Health for sponsoring me to TUFH Conference 2022. This opportunity really means a lot to me. This is gonna be my first time set foot in Vancouver, which is one of my dream countries. I was super excited when my abstract was accepted for the oral presentation, and later when I received email that I was shortlisted for the student sponsorship. I nearly shouted out my excitement, and it was really on top of the world. Apart from studying, actually, I also work as a community nutritionist in Malaysia. I have more than 5 years of working experiences in public health industry, and I work in the areas of health education and health promotion, particularly for obesity prevention. Living for the sake of others is my favorite life quote, which drives me to continuously contribute to the community for a better health and future. This time, I will present one of my favorite projects with title Healthy School Community, a peer training project for the prevention of childhood obesity. I wish to know more experts in this field and learn from their experiences through this conference. Hopefully, I can widen my network of same interests and adopt successful methodologies back to Malaysia. Thanks a million to UBC Health again for this awesome opportunity. I truly appreciate for all the arrangement and support given by the community. I'm looking forward to flying over to Vancouver and meeting with all the experts from different countries for a knowledge exchange. Hope to see everyone in real soon. Bye!